Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about VLOOKUP Exact match. V means vertical lookup. So here whenever we want to find a specific thing like phone number, name or ID number, so we use the exact match. And here for example I have a table and so here I just need few people here for this order number, so I choose the VLOOKUP. Okay, I just select the cell equal sign VLOOKUP. After that I select the value which is order number, comma. After that I select the table. I can come here and select the table, comma. So after that I need account manager 1 2 3 4 5. My account manager is number 5. I just write here 5. After that comma, and it should be an exact match. I just write 0, close the bracket and enter. You can see I found the Mario here. When I just drag it down, it works perfectly. So I want to once again repeat this. I just come here, equal sign, VLOOKUP. Okay. I select the order number, comma, and here instead of going back to the table, I just write the name of the table. I named it before as data, after that comma. So I knew my customer type, it was 4, and comma. After that 0, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works magically. I just write it down. Yeah, so that's it about VLOOKUP Exact match. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.